Hey everyone, welcome to Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for a super accurate and easy binary options trading strategy, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share a highly profitable 1-minute binary options trading strategy using just 2 simple candlestick patterns. This strategy will help you make better and smarter trading decisions. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and there's a chance of losing money. Past results don't guarantee future performance. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Do your own research before making any trading decisions. This strategy focuses on 2 candlestick patterns that look like a hammer and an inverted hammer. These candles have a small body and a long wick, showing strong rejection on one side. Here's how it works. Bullish inverted hammer. A small body with a long rejection at the top and a smaller rejection at the bottom. When you see this pattern, take a buy trade immediately. Bearish hammer. A small body with a long rejection at the bottom and a smaller rejection at the top. When you see this pattern, take a sell trade immediately. The candle time frame is 1 minute, and the expiry is also 1 minute. Best time to trade European sessions and New York sessions. Do not trade during major news events to avoid unpredictable market movements. Always test this strategy on a demo account first. Once you fully understand it, then consider trading on a real account. Check the video description for more details about this strategy. To master this strategy, make sure to watch the entire video. I'll be showing you live trades in different market conditions, explaining why I'm entering trades and how you can do the same. Skipping ahead might cause you to miss crucial details that could make or break your trades. Now let's jump into live trades to see this strategy in action. Right now, we're seeing a bearish hammer candlestick pattern forming. Let me break it down for you. The body of the candle is small, which is exactly what we're looking for. There's a small rejection at the top and a big rejection at the bottom. The bigger the rejection at the bottom, the stronger the signal, because it shows strong selling pressure. If the candle is red, it's an additional confirmation for a sell trade. This pattern tells us that the sellers are stepping in and pushing the price down. The long wick at the bottom shows that buyers tried to push the price up, but the sellers overpowered them. This is a strong signal that the price might continue to drop. Now, I have taken 5 trades together, but I do not recommend you do this unless you have strong trading skills and experience. In binary trading, proper risk management is very important. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Start with small trades and gradually increase as you gain confidence. Now it's time to see if this trade will give us a profit or a loss. That's right. Our sell trade based on the bearish hammer pattern has just closed in profit. This is why I love this strategy. It's simple, effective, and works well when you follow the rules. But remember, no strategy is 100% perfect. Always trade with caution and manage your risk wisely. Now we'll wait patiently for the next candlestick pattern to form. A bearish hammer candlestick pattern has formed, but let's take a closer look. This candle is very small and looks quite normal. According to our strategy, this isn't a perfect setup. The body is too small, and the rejection isn't significant enough. There's no strong sign of selling pressure or a clear rejection wick. This is a great example of a pattern you should avoid trading. I'm taking this trade to show you the difference between a good setup and a bad one. In trading, it's just as important to know what not to trade as it is to know what to trade. By showing you both correct and incorrect patterns, you'll learn to spot the best opportunities and avoid unnecessary risks. Now, let's wait for the result. We've won this trade. Even though the pattern wasn't perfect, it's always great to see a winning trade. But remember, this doesn't mean we should start trading every small or unclear pattern. Sticking to the rules is what keeps us consistent in the long run. Look at this candlestick closely. Do you think this is a bearish hammer? There's a lot of rejection above the body of the candle, which shouldn't be the case for a perfect bearish hammer. The candle also looks like a doji candle, which indicates indecision in the market. According to our strategy, this isn't a recommended pattern to trade. This kind of candlestick pattern does not fit our strategy rules. If you trade such weak patterns, your accuracy will decrease, and you might face unnecessary losses. I'm taking this trade to show you the importance of sticking to the rules. In trading, it's crucial to know what not to trade as much as knowing what to trade. By showing you both good and bad setups, you'll learn to spot the best opportunities and avoid unnecessary risks. Now, let's wait and see if this trade ends in a profit or loss. As expected, we lost this trade. But don't worry, this is actually a great learning experience. Losing a trade isn't a failure, it's a lesson. By avoiding weak patterns like this one, you'll improve your accuracy and increase your chances of success in the long run. Now let's stay patient and wait for a perfect trade setup before entering our next position. A bearish hammer candlestick pattern has formed, and this time, it's a perfect setup. Let's break it down. The body of the candle is small, which is exactly what we're looking for. There's a small rejection at the top and a big rejection at the bottom, showing strong selling pressure. This is a textbook example of the pattern we've been waiting for. According to our strategy, this is a valid sell signal. However, remember that binary trading is unpredictable, and the market can change direction at any moment. That's why it's so important to don't let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to the strategy and risk management plan. Accept the outcome. Whether it's a win or a loss, every trade is a learning opportunity. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. Remember, even with a perfect setup, there's no guarantee. This is the nature of trading. We've won this trade. This is why sticking to the rules of the strategy is so important. When the setup is clear and strong, the odds are in our favor. Now we'll wait patiently for the next candlestick pattern to form. We've spotted another bearish hammer candlestick pattern, and this time, it's even more reliable than the previous one. Let's break it down. The body of the candle is small, which is exactly what we're looking for. There's a small rejection at the top and a big rejection at the bottom, showing strong selling pressure. This pattern looks textbook perfect, and it gives me the confidence to take a sell trade. This pattern tells us that the sellers are stepping in and pushing the price down. The long wick at the bottom shows that buyers tried to push the price up, but the sellers overpowered them. This is a strong signal that the price might continue to drop. This setup gives me confidence because it looks exactly like the pattern we want for a high probability sell trade. Now let's wait and see if this trade gives us profit or loss. We've won this trade. This trade reinforces the power of waiting for the right setup and sticking to the strategy. The more we focus on strong candlestick patterns, the higher our chances of success in binary trading. Among all the patterns we've seen in today's trading session, this is the most reliable and perfect bullish inverted hammer pattern. Let's break it down. The body of the candle is small, which is exactly what we're looking for. There's a small rejection at the bottom and a big rejection at the top, showing strong buying pressure. This pattern looks textbook perfect, and it gives me the confidence to take a buy trade. This pattern tells us that the buyers are stepping in and pushing the price up. The long wick at the top shows that sellers tried to push the price down, but the buyers overpowered them. This is a strong signal that the price might continue to rise. According to our strategy, this is a valid buy signal, and I'm taking this trade with confidence. Now, let's wait and see how this trade plays out. As you can see, the trade closed successfully in profit. This proves once again that sticking to a solid strategy and waiting for the right setups can lead to consistent results in binary trading. We've covered a lot in this video, and I hope you've learned something valuable. Remember, this strategy is simple but powerful when used correctly. Before using this strategy in real trading, practice on a demo account. This will help you gain confidence and improve your skills without risking real money. Go back and re-watch the parts of the video where I explain the perfect setup. Make sure you understand the rules before applying them. Always follow the strategy and risk management rules. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more valuable strategies. Like this video to show your support. Share this strategy with other traders. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll keep bringing you more profitable strategies and insights. Trading is a journey, and every trade, whether it's a win or a loss, teaches us something valuable. Keep practicing, stay disciplined, and always trade responsibly. Good luck with your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading!